Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do public account on X step by step. Start by opening the X app and tapping your profile to access settings immediately. In this video, I will explain how to do public account on X step by step. Next, focus on privacy controls inside account settings so you control replies and mentions right away. Use reply filters to choose everyone, people you follow, or only followers to reduce unwanted interaction. Toggle location sharing off if you prefer privacy, and audit blocked or muted accounts to keep your timeline cleaner and safer before you go fully public. In this video, I will explain how to do public account on X step by step. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes multitasking while managing your account much easier, with voice replies and quick reminders that keep you organized. It is a handy companion when drafting posts or listening to examples, and it fits any room with good sound. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to do public account on X step by step. Now polish your profile with a concise bio and recognizable photo so visitors understand your focus quickly. Create and pin a welcome post that outlines content themes and posting cadence to set expectations. Maintain consistent visuals and voice in tweets to build audience trust, and schedule a few posts to appear right after making the account public for immediate engagement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.